How to get key bittings from the lock cylinder. This is door lock. It is used for Buick, Opel, Chevrolet. We'll get the wafers from the cylinder at first. Please arrange every wafer in order. There are 8 wafers in all. Please watch the wafers carefully. Ding, ding, ding. Every wafer has figures on it. These figures are key bittings. Here we'll use the TANK CNC key cutting machine to get this key. Enter cut by bitting. Here we search HU100. Click HU100. Depending on the guide picture, we'll install the key blank on the clamp. Input the key bittings that we got from the lock wafers. If it's ready, please click OK. Cutting finished. It looks smooth. Trying to turn the lock.